Hi everyone, our Bible verse for today is Mark 2:17. And hearing this, Jesus said to them, "It is not the healthy who need a doctor, but the sick. I have not come to call the righteous, but the sinners." So one of the teaching for today, Jesus came only by intimate with those who know that they are sinners. So, sinasabi dito sa verse na to, people understand that they know they are sinners. That was the time that God draw close to them. May dalawang klaseng tao, isang banal na nasa templo, nag-serve sa templo, at isang tax collector na makasalanan. But Jesus chooses to be it with those who are a tax collector. Why? And those yung mga taong banal, they keep on asking, bakit si Jesus Christ mas pinili niyang kumain sa mga kasama yung makasalanan? Kung ang tao ay makasalanan, ito yung pagkakataon natin na tayo ay tatawagin ng ating Panginoong Diyos to be with Him. Hanggat di natin naunawaan na tayo ay makasalanan, or tayo ay may sakit, hanggat di natin nararamdaman yun, hirap tayo to be close with God. Nahirapan tayo na tanggapin sa sarili natin that we need help, that we need to save by God. Kaya nga, God allows those things kasi yun yung pagkakataon para mapalapit tayo sa Kanya. But when you look at yourself, that you are righteous people, na mas malinis ka kaysa sa ibang tao, you cannot be close to God. When you feel that you are righteous, that is the hindrance para mapalapit ka kay God. Huwag natin tignan yung sarili natin na mas banal tayo, mas better tayo, mas holy tayo. View ourselves as a sinners that saved by grace. Ano man ang kabutihang ginagawa natin, hindi dahil mabuti tayo, hindi, dahil it's by grace of God. Biyaya ng Diyos na iligtas tayo sa ating mga kasalanan sa araw-araw, being as sinners. So, hindi tayo maliligtas because of mabubuting gawa. It is by grace of God who save us. Never stop approach God, because God is always there with you. Naantay ka lang niya.